So, nagkakilala kami dahil doon sa friend niya sa US. Naging barkada ako doon sa game. As in, doon sa mismong game. Tumagal kami as in long distance relationship like 5 years.
I was searching for an open door. I was looking for a peace of mind. It's a feeling that I tend to get. Won't rest until I make it right. Couldn't stand the thought of losing her before time had come. Like a storm outraged that night. In the dark I came undone. Oh, this house I will my own to rent, so you can make it out. So you can make it out.
Then after nun, yun nga, pinetition na niya ako as fiancé. Then, yun nga, pandemic nun, nag-fly na ako. So, 50-50 ang pagpasok ko sa US. Doon, yung kasing ano namin, yung kasing visa na yon, dapat within 30 days, ikakasal namin doon. Yun, nangyari na, nandun na, nakasal na kami.
Today, in this beautiful beach, we witness the sacred union of Mr. Arnold Ocampo and Miss Erica Jane Flores. We are all here to celebrate and honor the love shared by these two souls as they come together to start their new life surrounded by their loved ones.
끝나지 않을 history 나의 우주가 되준 우리의 이야기 목적지 없이 흘러가는 저 수행성처럼 나도 그저 떠내려가고 있었어 어둠 속에
And you, Arnold, do you take Erica Jane as your lawfully wedded wife according to the rites of the church and the requirements of the Philippine law?
Yes, I do.
When I'm with you, there is no to myself. When I'm with you, there is no I feel this way I never felt.
Kahit ano man mangyari, dumating man ang maraming problema at pagsubok, haharapin natin to nakahawak kamay. Handa akong panindigan lahat ng mga sinabi ko simula nung una tayong nagkakilala. At hindi kita iiwanan hanggang dulo.
Simula sa araw na ito, ikaw na ang makakasama ko sa buong buhay ko. Alam kong magiging masaya at puno ng tawanan at pagmamahal ang buhay ko kasama ka.
Oh, ito. I-115, grabe, galing California. Thank you. Ikaw, sir. Yeah.
Magagampanan mo kahit paano, kahit tricycle driver lang, ay, paraos ko kayo. Kaya kayo, sinasabi ko sa inyo na makisama kayo ng yun lang.
Tsaka thank you kasi yun nga, tricycle driver ka lang. Pinatapos mo kami. Tsaka proud kami sa'yo. Saludo kami sa'yo. Kasi sa sobrang sipag mo, hindi kami ganito. Hindi kami makakatapos ng pag-aaral. Thank you.
Erica Jane, do you take Arnold as your lawfully wedded husband according to the rites of the church and the requirements of the Philippine law?
Yes, I do. Sa lahat ng pinagdaanan natin, ngayon ko lang naintindihan kung bakit kailangan natin mag-imbita ng maraming tao, pakainin, bigyan ng entertainment, at bigyan ng regalo. Para sa oras na pareho nating makalimutan ang ipinangako natin sa isa't isa. Ito ring mga tao na ito ang magpapaalala sa atin para sa araw na to. I love you. I have never been so happy in all my life. Thank you.